Listen, while you're watching this video, someone just made $10,000 using AI, and they started 3 months ago with zero experience. Bill Gates said it best. AI is the most important advance in technology since the graphical user interface. But here's what he didn't say. It's also the biggest wealth transfer opportunity of your lifetime. In the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you 5 proven ways people are using AI right now to build 6- and 7-figure businesses. No fancy degree, no big investment, just you, AI, and a laptop. Let's get into it. Look, I get it. Everyone's talking about AI. But most people are just talking. They're not making money with it. And that's because they don't know where to start. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, literally said, the age of AI is going to be the age where everyone can be a company of one. So here's the real question. Are you going to be part of that revolution, or are you going to watch from the sidelines while others cash in? Let's start with method number 1. Method number 1, faceless YouTube channels powered entirely by AI. Right now, channels like Magnets Media and Moon are pulling in anywhere from $20,000 to $100,000 per month without ever showing their face. Here's how it works. You use AI tools like ChatGPT to write scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and tools like InVideo AI or Pictory to generate the entire video. Topics: finance, psychology, history, self-improvement, anything evergreen. A guy named Jake Tran started with just AI-assisted videos and now runs a channel with over 1.5 million subscribers. His estimated monthly revenue? Over $50,000. And here's the kicker. He barely edits anymore. AI does 80% of the work. Method number 2. Become an AI freelancer. Listen to this. On Fiverr alone, searches for AI services have increased by over 1,000% in the last year. People need AI, but they don't know how to use it. That's where you come in. Offer services like AI copywriting, AI-generated designs using Midjourney or DALL-E, AI video editing, AI chatbot creation for businesses, or even AI consulting for small businesses who want to automate their workflows. Tony Robbins always says, the only limit to your impact is your imagination and commitment. Well, with AI, your imagination just got 10x bigger. Freelancers are charging anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per project. Some are making $10,000 to $30,000 a month just offering AI automation services to local businesses. Method number 3, create and sell AI-generated digital product. This is passive income at its finest. Use AI to create printable planners and journals, AI-generated artwork and NFTs, custom templates for Notion, Canva, or Excel, ebooks and guides, social media content packs. There are people on Etsy making $20,000 a month selling AI-generated coloring books and wall art. I'm not kidding. Warren Buffett once said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. AI digital products? That's money while you sleep. You create it once, sell it forever. A creator named Sarah made $47,000 in 3 months selling AI-generated wedding invitation templates. 3 months, one product type. Method number 4, AI-powered marketing and ad management. Small businesses are desperate for help with digital marketing, but they can't afford traditional agencies that charge $3,000 to $10,000 a month. Enter you, armed with AI. Use AI tools to write high-converting ad copy in seconds, design ad creatives that actually perform, analyze data and optimize campaigns automatically, generate entire email marketing sequences. Elon Musk said, some people don't like change, but you need to embrace change if the alternative is disaster. Businesses that don't adapt to AI marketing, they're the disaster he's talking about. You can charge $1,500 to $5,000 per month per client for AI-powered marketing management. Get 5 clients? That's $25,000 a month. And method number 5, build and sell AI agents and automation workflows. This is the big leagues. Businesses are paying premium prices for custom AI solutions that automate their repetitive tasks. Think AI customer service chatbots, automated data entry systems, AI-powered lead generation tools, custom GPTs for specific business needs, and email automation sequences triggered by AI. Mark Andreessen said, "Software is eating the world." Well, AI is eating software. Companies are paying $10,000 to $50,000 for custom AI automation solutions, and you don't need to be a programmer anymore. Tools like Zapier, Make, and even ChatGPT's custom GPTs let you build these without writing a single line of code. One developer turned AI consultant is now making $400,000 a year just building custom ChatGPT solutions for businesses. So there you have it. 5 proven ways to use AI to build real wealth. Not theory, not hype, real actionable methods that people are using right now to make 6 and 7 figures. Jeff Bezos once said, "I knew that if I failed, I wouldn't regret that. But I knew the one thing I might regret is not trying." So here's my question for you. Are you going to try? Or are you going to regret not starting when AI was still this accessible, this early in the game? Because let me tell you something, 5 years from now, you're going to wish you started today. The tools are here, the opportunity is now, the only thing missing is you taking action. If you found this valuable, smash that subscribe button. I'm dropping AI money-making strategies every single week that you won't find anywhere else. Drop a comment below and tell me, which method are you going to start with? I read every single one. And remember, while at most people are scared of AI taking their jobs, you're about to use AI to create yours.